Yo, what's poppin', man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy, Dwight, man. You well, it's that time again, that grind again, man. Let's get to it, man. You already know what it is, man. Today, I'm bringing y'all two unboxings. It's gonna be in two separate videos, due to the COVID-19, Nike being delayed on their shippings and stuff, shipping and handling, So, y'all make sure y'all be safe out there. I'm looking rough around the edges and let my locks retwisted, all that. Like I said before, man, the videos are definitely gonna get doper. They're gonna be smoother. I'm gonna bring y'all some dope ass lookbooks. I got two packages here. I don't know what's in what. I'm unbox them right now. Let's get straight to it. I don't like for my videos to be long, so we're gonna get straight to it. Do what we gotta do. Y'all show me love. I show y'all love. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend, drop a comment. Let me know what I could do better to improve the videos and stuff. Let's get straight to it, man. Got the first box here. This you dig. I never had these. I caught these Defining Moments. Oh, the box is crazy. I like the box. Let's get that shit out of here. Ooh, so you come in the gold box. I'm sure on previous YouTube channels y'all seen it already. But guess what? You here with your boy. So got the gold and black box. We got the paper. It got Unite on it. Paper is kind of smooth. Double wrap. Ooh, these motherfuckers hard. See, I never had these back in the day. I ain't gonna even sit up here in front. Yeah, these. Whoa. These are definitely nice. Damn. I thought I was supposed to have a. It looked like my little hanging thing is gone. That's crazy. Wow. I ain't even get the little hanging piece in here. Wow. Come on, Nike. I gotta do better than that. Wow. I didn't even get the little hanging piece. That's kind of grimy. Let me take a look. See if it. Nope, I ain't even. Wow, look. Nike, y'all shady. I want the little hang tag piece. What the deal? That's corny, but we gonna get into this this review real quick. You got the black Nuck Buck. Got the gold Jordan sign. You got the little lock lace right there. You got the gold right there, the black, the icy blue bottom. Typical. The quality on here is real nice, though. You got the Jumpman in the back with the gold 23. You got the gold lining right here. I mean, the little gold, whatever that's called, man. I'll get better as we go along. Got the gold Jumpman on the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Look, I ain't got no hang tag. I got that, but no hang tag. That's corny. Wait, before I start, no, it's not even. Look, it's not even in here. Oh wait, here we go. Okay, my bad. My bad. My fault. Got the gold hang tag. I don't even keeping it 100. I don't even know if I'm gonna even be wearing it on my shoe. I don't like stuff flopping around. I'm older, so I don't want all that stuff flopping around. I got my son the red ones, the infrareds, the video or two back, But yeah, here you go. You got these. Of course, I'm gonna unlace them and relace them up because I hate when I see YouTubers with their shoes super tight and laced up like this. Like, bro, like, I know it's a basketball shoe, but you know, like, bro, come on. If you wearing it to play basketball, then by all means, lace it up tight and leave it laced up tight like this. But bro, you gotta unlace your shoes a little bit, bro. Let your ankles breathe. You feel me? Like what the fuck are you doing out there? You know what I mean? Like, bro, if you gonna have drip, you gotta start from the laces up, or you know, laces first. Laces first. You know what I mean? Lace your shit up right. And I'm gonna be showing y'all how to lace these shits up in another video. Like, I'm gonna get y'all right out there. You know, the young bulls out there, they probably don't know no better, but it's a lot of young bulls that they already know what to do with the shit. Like, real talk, they know what to do with it. But it's a lot of old heads and older cats like such as myself. Man, y'all be looking mad corny with your shoes like this, and then y'all be walking duck-toed like y'all want. Bro, if you got the bread, bro, spend that shit. You already spent it on the shoes. Now wear the motherfuckers. You feel me? Like, get your drip on. I'm gonna be bringing y'all lookbooks, all that. Lace up. We're gonna get it together, baby. Oh shit, there you go. We got that. Look, Pete. Look, I'm wearing these. They're not gonna be sitting down. I got these. Jordan 6 Defining Moment Pack, 9.5. You already know what it is, man. Nike, get at your boy. Throw that. There you go. Holla at your boy, man. It's your boy, Dwight Manuel. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Drop a comment. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on IG at Dwight Manuel 2 L's. Fuck with me. Holla at your boy. Peace.